that? Oh, that's the
That's the
botanic.
Botanic Gardens,
Yeah.
yeah.
Wow.
More cash? Got it. 8 seconds.
Such a rush. Start sharing. You're right though. Maybe. It's really the blurriest one. Yeah, we're just wondering. And no one's here. Which one? Oh, definitely want this one. This one? Yeah, definitely that one. Definitely this one.
Sorry.
Oh, I like it. Yeah, I like this one. And this one.
That one?
Yeah. Nah, definitely call this one.
This one? Oh,
Yeah.
what color?
Let's do that one.
This one.
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah?
Yeah, I like it.
Let's go.
There we go. No. It's called Hama Film. We definitely recommend if you're ever visit Brisbane City.
What is it called?
Hama Film.
Hama Film.
Not Haja. Hama. This one. See you soon. This place looks very pretty, I think. We're doing one of our favorite things. We're having some late night nom nom.
Where would that be?
Hungry Jack.
Hungry Jack's or Matthew's?
Preferably Hungry Jack's. I like Macca's, but Hungry Jack's has been
Hungry Jack's is better.
nice. Oh yeah.
Burgers are better at Hungry Jack's.
Exactly like they say.
We're gonna be walking to the city.
Exactly. There's no buses running at the moment, actually.
Oh wait, really?
It's 1 a.m. Oh wait, no.
No, it's
Saturday.
Saturday.
Yeah, Saturday is when Fortitude Valley, the clubs and the strip clubs and the other clubs and the nightclubs, they all wake up. So the government here has buses running through the night. With one caveat. a security guard in every single one. Actually, I think Sulzig even is closing.
Why?
They close their kitchen at 12:30.
Oh,
You can still go and drink there, but you can't have foodie.
why are you so tall for? I can't even like put you in the frame. Hi.
Hi.
We're walking along the
Bridge.
the bridge. It's only for buses, apparently. All of the cars can go
On
down
either that
way.
one?
Yeah,
Oh, I think there is also a way to go
all the way down there.
So colorful. Hungry Jack's is open.
Hell yeah.
I like this Whopper, but it's a mess. We got a Whopper. The iconic part is that it's really large. Then
Really what?
it's really large, like the patty.
They said really hot.
Oh, that would be bad, I feel like.
Cappuccino.
Medium size. A barbecue cheeseburger. Savory. Yes. And this is a new item. It's like popcorn chicken. There's some
Like curry.
chickpeas.
Curry flavor.
Yeah, curry flavored. And we're gonna have a sweet and sour sauce with it. Itadakimasu. Late night eats.
The first fireworks will be at 8:30 p.m., which is in about 1 hour. These fireworks will be for families that has children, so they have to go back home early, accommodating to families. But the real show will be exactly at 12 a.m. midnight. So many people already.
Looks so good.
So, I mean, what's exciting for me is what they're going to give us could and should be very diverse. I think just in that little time in there, we saw chicken feet, and now there's a ramen coming. So that was on. That's a lot of beef. So that's nice. No chicken feet.
Ya está comiendo. Ya le dije cómo ponerse la ñorita.
Is it good?
They'd be tough.
Very tough. Like tough.
Yeah, like tough.
Tough. Do you wanna do it? Yay, see guys, lighting off the sparkler is better. Light it off the sparkler, it's so much better. It burns so much quicker when you go off the sparkler. The heat. See? The heat. The heat. Happy New Year! Even though it's like 20 minutes past. Yay!
1 hour past.
Sydney is already 1 hour and 15 minutes past. Draw something, maybe. Train is free, go to Gold Coast. Yeah. Free buses because things break down.
Yay!
Free trip to Gold Coast.
Hopefully this year better.
Maybe. Can't relate. Wait. Oh, one of it's out. Sad.
Yay!
Yeah. Happy New Year. Yeah.